Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Keto Honey Garlic Shrimp. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Yes, today we are making honey garlic shrimp. So I know you might be thinking, how in the world are you going to make something keto with honey? And the trick is we're going to use sugar-free honey. And this is the honey we're going to use. This is keto sugar-free honey from Wholesome Yum. It is so good. So I get this on Amazon. This is not sponsored or anything like that. But it's the best tasting sugar-free honey that I've found. Not that I've tried all of them. I've only tried 2. But it tastes like honey. So that's what I like about it. So we're gonna use that. So we're gonna add 1/3 cup of that to a bowl because that's gonna be part of our marinade for our shrimp. What I like about it is it's sweetened with allulose. Some other keto sugar-free honeys are sweetened with maltitol, and I don't like that, so I really like this one. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and I like to use tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce. I've got 2 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of ginger paste. You could use fresh ginger. So that's our marinade. We're gonna stir that up. Okay. Marinade's ready, so we've got 1 pound of shrimp, fresh shrimp or whatever, frozen shrimp that have been peeled and deveined, but we leave the tails on. So I'm going to pour half of the marinade, approximately, over our shrimp. And we're gonna let this marinate for 15 minutes. Oh, you can really smell the honey. It smells so good. Or the fake honey. Okay, this is gonna marinate for 15 minutes. Okay, our shrimp have marinated for 15 minutes, so now we're going to cook them in this skillet. You want to turn it on about medium-high heat. We're gonna add a tablespoon of avocado oil. We're gonna let that heat up. This is such a quick weeknight recipe, and everyone will love it. It's so delicious, so easy. You could serve it with cauliflower rice for yourself, or you could serve it for just regular rice for anyone who doesn't want to eat cauliflower rice. You could have it on salad. You could make, I don't know, it would just like serve it with a side of green beans. Just absolutely easy and delicious. Okay, we've got our oil getting hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my shrimp. We want to put these in a single layer, and these are gonna cook really fast. And we want to discard this marinade, but we have our reserved marinade to pour in here whenever the shrimp are finished. Okay, it's already time to flip our shrimp, some of them anyway. These cook so quickly. And the ones that were on the outside of the pan, I'm gonna move to the inside of the pan so they can get cooked, and so the ones on the inside of the pan don't get overcooked. Okay, our shrimp are cooked all the way through, so let's add the remaining marinade and toss the shrimp in the marinade. Okay, I'm gonna transfer these to a bowl so they don't overcook in our hot skillet. And now I'm gonna garnish them with just a few, or I don't know, about 1/4 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. That's totally optional, but just makes it a little bit pretty. So anyway, they're all finished, and look at how perfect these shrimp look, and you can just pick them up by their tails. Let's try one. They're sweet, they're salty. Those are perfect. I mean, look at how good those look. These would be the perfect recipe. I would say this would serve 4 people with a nice side dish, or 2 people with maybe a little smaller side dish. But be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.